how to get Telegram Premium for free. So let's move forward to our video and watch the video till the end. First of all, launch your Telegram app on your device and you have to log into your account. Once you have the login to your Telegram account here, you have to navigate to the three bar which is on the top left corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to just go for the setting icon or the gear icon. And here you have to scroll down. So here you will find a referral program and special offers on your Telegram. So which offers the free trial or promotional period where you can try Telegram Premium without paying. However, this option doesn't always appear. So it usually shows up during special occasion or promotional delays method. So here you can see the send or gift option. So if you find the gift premium, then you can try it for free. So to do this, you can just tap on the send a gift or premium here and you can select your account and you can send you a free Telegram premium subscription to your friend. On the number three option is that you can have your paid you can have the paid subscription. So just go for the Telegram Premium here. Then you can have the paid subscription, which will include all of these here. So if you want to enjoy your Telegram Premium, you can buy it for annually $3 per month or monthly $5 per month. So here you can see that 40% has been discount. You can just go for the subscribe per year and you can start by adding a payment method. So there is no way to get Telegram Premium for free. Any if any of the user or friend gifted you, you can use it for free. So that's it. If there is any occasion or if there is any offer, you can try it for free too. So there is also free trial. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.